The Greystoke Stages Rally once again took place in the uniquely self-contained Cumbrian forest, and it was certainly a challenge for the crews in 2026. It was 30th overall, second in Class 9 for Richard Wardle and Jonathan Mounsey, the pair swapping seats from their usual positions for this weekend. '28th place would go to Brendan Leonard and Scott Hewson. It was Scott's first ever competitive motorsport event, and jumping straight into reading maps on a forest rally was certainly a baptism of fire. He did a brilliant job though, and the pair were pleasantly surprised with just how well the Suzuki held together over the rough stages. 25th overall were Jonathan Pickup and Peter King. They managed to get through the event without any major issues, although the deep ruts were doing their best to pull the exhaust off the Peugeot by the end of the day. Taking the Class 9 victory in 24th overall were local crew Aidan Gregory and Mark Casey. They admitted it could have been even better had the conditions been kinder, easing off slightly at times to preserve the car, but they still came away with the class win on home ground. 15th overall, second in Class 3, went to the super impressive Henry Cunwill and Dilwyn John. Not only was it another excellent class result in Class 3, but the pair also claimed victory in the Mini Rally Challenge R53 category against some strong opposition in Henry's first year stepping up from the juniors. Mark Shaw and James Coxon finished 11th overall, second in Class 8, but only after a dramatic afternoon. They'd been ahead of Barry Lindsay through the opening stages and were running as high as 8th overall before breaking a front suspension strut on stage 4. After limping the car to the end of the stage, it was all hands on deck in service, borrowing tools and spare parts from fellow competitors just to make it back out and finish the rally. That promoted Barry Lindsay and Caroline Lodge to the Class 8 lead in 10th overall. Having spent the morning second in class, they capitalised on the late drama to take maximum class honours. Lyle Cowan Jr. and Ashley Thompson secured 9th overall at the finish after moving their way up the results in the strong MG3. And Marcus Noble and Brian Hodgson end the event in 8th. The Class 3 victory theirs after another strong performance in the Escort. William Fisher and Ross Green, meanwhile, brought their Mitsubishi home in 7th overall. In 6th overall, second in Class 5, it was Tom Pickard with Simon Pickard alongside, narrowly missing out on the class victory. That honour instead going to Stuart Eggleston and Christina Robinson, who finished an impressive 5th overall to top the Class 5 standings in the Escort. And just missing out on the podium by a frustrating slither of time were Oliver Wood and Lewis Wood. No relation despite sharing the same surname. This was a last-minute co-driver change with Oliver's regular co-driver awaiting the arrival of a baby. It was only Lewis's third ever rally, but they coped brilliantly with the rough conditions to finish 4th overall. Taking third were Michael Glendinning and Mark Mason. Another excellent result for the Subaru crew, finishing on the podium behind two modern R5 and Rally 2 machines that have a significant performance advantage. Stephen Petch and Michael Wilkinson would have been lying in second place throughout most of the event. However, stage 4 would be as far as they would go, retiring before what would become the final stage of the event after we lost stage 6. So that meant the runner-up honours went to Stephen Woe and Carl Williamson, now in their second season in the Fiesta R5, and the pace continuing to improve with every outing, this marking their best overall result to date. But taking victory on the 2026 Greystoke Stages Rally were Alan Carmichael and Harry Warshaw. Returning to defend the title from 2025, the pair once again mastered the stages, winning the event by just over a minute and successfully making it back-to-back Greystoke victories in difficult conditions. So at the end of the 2026 Greystoke Stages Rally, the overall leaderboard shaped up like this.